In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a gradient in Framer. So first, make sure you are on the official website of Framer and already chose a website of yours or project. You can choose a template if you want. So in this case, just to give you all an example, I've already created my own project in here. So now, let's make this a gradient. So I want my background a gradient. So on the right side, you will see here the fill. So under the styles, you will see there the fill. Click on that, and then you will see some choices in here for what kind of gradient you want. But in this case, I'm going to choose the linear gradient because I want it to more like adapt the color of my nav bar or navigation bar. And that's it. That's how to make a gradient in Framer. It's super easy. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.